Well, here we are again, Jim's garage, and you know, I always talk about cars, you know, and sometimes I guess that gets old, you know, and it's getting cold out. Feels like Thanksgiving weather out there today. This is the Friday before, 2 weeks before Thanksgiving. 2 weeks from today is Black Friday, big deal, right? But anyway, I think I'm going to get everybody in the Christmas spirit here. And you know, everybody's always said, how do you decorate for under $100? You can't believe it, you know. And I'm going to stretch this out a little bit. Okay, well, they always have a big competition, a contest every year. And here, I'm going to open this garage door for a second. A little noisy. And there we go. All right, now, so we're going to forget about the cars, and we're going to show you how to decorate for under $100. I've done it every year. It works. It's a good look. All right, here we go. Now let's shut this door now. Got to keep these babies in here warm. Yes, sir. Like I said, you probably think I'm nuts worrying about those cars like that, but I want you to be sure of one thing: I am nuts. Yeah. All right, what are we looking at here? We got all these eaves up here. Yeah. And up here, way up here. Oh my gosh. Boy, that's got to be 25 foot up. That's a joke. Yeah. The contest is coming up, and I want to be able to make a show of it. I've been doing this for 25 years. I've yet to win, but it's a lot to decorate, that's for sure. Sorry about this wind noise, but it's nasty out today, you know. All right, how are we gonna do this? This is what we got to figure out. Need at least a 30-foot ladder to get up there. 76 years old, I don't know, but I was a lot younger when I used to do this. But I promised you a decorating job under $100, and I got to deliver, I guess. So, and it's not about cars. I mean, we just talked about cars for a couple minutes. I've got other interests, you know. I mean, I'm into Christmas, you know. So, all right, there we go. Huh. Yeah, boy, that's a long ways up there. Under $100, boy, I don't know. I know I've got some skills and all, but let's see. All right. There you go. I'm done. Under $100. And even if I don't win the contest, I didn't spend over $100. So, you know, I always put a wreath up, you know, and this is what you get, you know. So I'd rather talk about cars, and there's not much to talk about this wreath, you know. It's pretty, but it was like $48. I mean, hell, that's under $50, you know. So I'm glad you tuned in. I hope I didn't disappoint you, but geez, that's too high up. I'm going to kill myself for Christmas. Tune back in January 2nd, the day after New Year's, and I'll be taking this down, you know. And if it's cold or warm or whatever, it'll take me 2 minutes while these other clowns are up there hammering up on the eaves and half of them falling off of ladders. Not me, buddy. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Sorry about the disappointment. See you later.